Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem codes on your Epic Games account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem codes on your Epic Games account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in epicgames.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be directed to the Epic Games homepage, and let's let the page load. And on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in option available over here. First, sign in to your Epic Games. In order to redeem your code, click on sign in, and you can see you can also sign into your Epic Games account with all these, but I'll be signing into the Epic Games account with my Gmail account, which I registered on Epic Games. So you'll be also required to enter your email address over here, and after your password over here, like my computer has auto-filled it for me, and log into your Epic Games account. And after logging into your Epic Games account, let's let the page load. And on the top right corner of the screen you can see your username over here, and when we hover over it you can see the redeem code option available over here, which is the third one just below the my achievements. Click on redeem code and you'll be directed to this page where you can redeem your product over here. Enter your code over here which you had received from the Epic Games, either virtually or from the game card of the Epic Games, and enter your code over here. Click on redeem, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your mailing address, and after that the product will be redeemed on your Epic Games account, and whichever product you had redeemed will be available to you on Epic Games. And there guys, this is how you redeem your codes on Epic Games account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.